of discarded cans begin an incredible journey back to life. What was once trash is about to become something incredibly valuable. Massive industrial machines roar to life across the recycling yard. Giant steel claws crash into mountains of aluminum with unstoppable force. Tons of aluminum slam onto the conveyor line within seconds. The entire recycling system begins moving in perfect industrial rhythm. Thousands of cans race through this facility every single minute. Powerful magnets instantly rip unwanted steel away, leaving only pure aluminum. High-pressure air blasts remove every trace of dust, plastic, and debris. Human precision and machine power work together without mistakes. The aluminum is finally clean and ready for destruction. This giant shredder tears entire cans apart into razor-thin metal fragments. In just moments, every soda can completely disappears inside the machine. A storm of shining aluminum fragments pours out like silver rain. Massive, vibrating systems separate and refine every tiny metal piece. Final air filters remove even the lightest remaining contamination. Now the aluminum enters the hottest stage of the entire process. Smart automation controls every movement across the production line. Rigid aluminum waste transforms into flexible industrial raw material. These tiny fragments are the beginning of a completely new product. Extreme heat burns away old paint and chemical coatings instantly. Pure aluminum is now ready for the brutal heat of the furnace. Furnace doors open slowly, revealing a world filled with blazing fire. The aluminum melts instantly into glowing liquid metal energy. At 700 degrees, the metal flows like liquid silver. Robotic arms remove dangerous impurities from the molten surface. The glowing aluminum looks like a river flowing straight from a volcano. The furnace tilts forward as molten metal begins pouring out. Every glowing stream contains thousands of fully recycled aluminum cans. Engineers test every batch carefully to guarantee industrial quality. Advanced systems analyze every detail before production continues forward. Fire, heat, and molten metal dominate the entire factory floor. Final filtration removes even microscopic particles hidden inside the aluminum. Molten aluminum enters giant molds and rapidly begins solidifying. Bright explosions of sparks signal the birth of a brand new form. Liquid metal fills the mold completely before cooling into solid aluminum. Another recycling cycle is complete, transforming waste into value. A massive aluminum ingot rises slowly from the casting chamber. Thick clouds of steam explode upward as hot metal hits cold water. The glowing orange surface slowly fades into bright silver metal. The giant aluminum block is now strong enough for further processing. Overhead cranes carry the enormous weight effortlessly across the factory.
The sheet enters the final cleaning bath, where ultrasonic waves and mild detergents remove any remaining rolling oil.
The aluminum sheet now moves like flowing silver fabric. The final surface appears nearly flawless. Laser inspection systems scan every coil carefully for hidden imperfections. Every aluminum coil receives a certified industrial tracking label. Autonomous transport vehicles move finished products across the facility. Endless rows of silver coils stand ready for worldwide shipping. This entire process is powered by heat, pressure, and precision. Skilled workers and advanced machines together make this transformation possible. And soon, this aluminum will return to the world once again.